Okay, I've been in this trade for a couple of minutes. I got in when the price bars were in between the 21 and the 50. About 2 minutes ago. You can see that it's against me a couple thousand. 300 contracts. Stop on this is 4,500. This is not for the new trader. This is just to show you how quickly you can make money when you understand where the price is most likely to go. And I'm going to draw a line right now to show you where this slingshot pattern setup, then trade, is going to go according to my experience of watching how this develops. So I drew that horizontal line at the previous lows. When you're trading this number of contracts, a lot of times people have, and I'm going to do it right here, by the way, I'm just giving you a heads up. A lot of times people have a predetermined profit target. I know somebody that has made an absolute fortune, and I mean it, an absolute fortune, going for a predetermined profit target with a lot of contracts. Technically, it falls under the scalping category, but you can't argue when you see that P&L turn green and there's a few zeros up there. So what I'm going to do is set my sights on 5,300. The price will basically give me a $5,000 profit after paying commissions, and it will be getting out ahead of where I drew that line, but that's okay. I'll put $5,000 in the bank in a matter of about, 4 or 5 minutes. Assuming we get there, which I am 100% confident we will. So let's sit back and see what happens. I'm going to add another 100 to this because it's getting close. I was going to scale out with 200, but in case it popped and, all of a sudden I'm staring at, okay, I just got filled. So I'm out. 50, I don't remember what that just said. I should have kept my eye on it. I know it was like 53 something, 53.10, 53.20, I don't know, something like that. But anyway, that is a $5,000 profit, 300 contracts. You know what? Let me type it in here. Let me put it. I rarely do this. First of all, I got in about right here, probably a line before that, or at the open. I think it was at the open of that price bar. So I'll just keep my arrow there. And you'll notice that the TSL1, the white line, has turned down, but it just updated, but it hasn't scaled all the way back to the bottom. And a lot of times when you're trading multiple contracts, at least I'll speak for myself, that I'll stay in, I'll get out with, and you saw me put an exit of 200. I might keep 100 in there for the full distance from one extreme to the other. So let me just, I can't type and talk at the same time, so hold on. It was roughly $5,300 profit. I don't know what it is now. It doesn't matter because I'm out. That's another thing. People like to go back and say, oh, if I had only done this or if I'd only done that. Don't think that way. Forget it. Move on. There's always another trade coming down the pike. Okay? You took the profit off the table that you were comfortable taking. Be happy with it. Move on. Build up your account. Build up your stop loss bank. Hold on. I can't, like I said, let me type here. What is that? The percentages. Hold on. Yeah, about 27.5% return. Don't know exactly, but I was in the trade, I think, for about 4.5 minutes, maybe, I'll just say 5 minutes. I'll blow this up so you can read it. And there you have it. Live trade, $19,000 investment, $5,300 profit, 27% return, 5 minutes in the trade. Slingshot Trade. Look in the upper right-hand corner of my matrix, and you'll see my account number, 174744196. That lets you know that this is a real money trade. I don't post any of the internet BS where they show you a whole bunch of successful trades in a sim account, okay? Want to learn how to do this? Go to wallstreeteducation.com.